welcome home, everybody. We're checking out some of our new Hallmark Christmas ornaments that we picked up today. We're going to start with some that were surprisingly on sale. They were last year's. We've got Mulan here as the first one.
And you never see her. I've never seen an ornament for her.
But $13.
Canadian.
Yeah, $13 Canadian. $900 of tissue paper.
That my lovely cat, who's also involved with this video, would love.
There's Mullen. Although it's decent, but I just don't find the face looks like Mulan. That's just my thought. I don't know. It's good, but it just doesn't.
She looks a little sad.
Doesn't really remind me of Mulan. So that's the Mulan. Next up was another sale item one. It was Scooby-Doo, also 2024. Also $13.
He's not going to be very big.
Another 5 feet of tissue paper. There's with the mystery machine.
And
he took a bite out of it.
Yeah, because it says a snack for Scooby.
Yeah, it's the mystery machine Scooby snack.
And
oh yes, this will be for the lovers of a section at MGM Studios / Hollywood Studios.
a little emotional.
The Rainbow
Right.
Connection. The lovers. The
Best
dreamers
frog in the
and
world.
me. Mr. Kermit the Frog. I had to order this one. This is a brand new one.
Comes with instructions.
Destructions. Oh, what does he sing? What does he sing?
I don't know.
I didn't play with. I don't remember them having one on display at the store, so I don't know if we have to add batteries, maybe, or if there's one of those little plastic things in it. They'll say in the instructions.
Yeah. But.
Or if we have to plug it in.
We have to plug it in.
Which is
But
possible.
I didn't see any cords with it, though.
No. Well, last year we got some that had cords.
Oh, I think we had to buy one.
Yeah.
So, the instructions.
Yes.
It looks like Bob the Builder.
Yes, it does. It's an elf, but yes.
But
So yeah, we're going to have to plug him in before we can hear what he sings. I'm going to say he's probably singing the Rainbow Connection because he was sitting on the log playing the banjo.
Yeah. Right there.
So,
Kermit's
Rainbow Connection. Yep. So that'll be what he sings, his Rainbow Connection. So we'll have to circle back and figure that out and find the plug so we can plug it in.
You know, all his little details.
It might actually be with our pile of decorations from last year. I think we have a plug over there. So we'll circle back to that anyway, and we'll show you that after.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
This is a 7. No, this is a parade.
Yes. This is
the electrical
the
parade.
electrical Main Street electrical parade.
This one will probably also need to be plugged in, which will be a part 2.
Yes.
And it's not a very big one because we've seen it on display. So
Yeah,
it's a
I thought it was
decent
going to be a lot bigger when we saw it in the magazine.
And I'm actually happy with
the
the size
catalog.
it is because you don't need to be that big.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's where the plug goes on the side.
Yeah, for the letter D.
Yep. And then the button. Oh, there it is, the blue button.
There's the blue button.
To make it sing.
And
so
it does.
We'll have to plug that one in and circle back to that one as well for the audio. So we'll dig out the plug and then we can bring that to you after. And then here is the last one that we picked up from the current ones. The rest come out in October.
These come with batteries.
Oh, this one comes with batteries, so that's interesting. And it's the Sleeping Beauty Castle celebrating the 70th at Disneyland.
This one was for me, because I'm from
We
West Coast.
We do have a bunch more coming for October as well, so you'll have to stay tuned for those as well.
And it's got Dumbo, Teacup, the Castle, and the Peter Pan. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
And Tinkerbell right there.
Yeah, Tink right at the top.
And the button right here.
Yep. Does that one also plug in? Yeah, I know it came with batteries, but
nope,
because there's the battery thing, so I guess it doesn't need a plug for this one. No, interesting.
They hang it right here.
Some have plugs and some are battery.
So
yeah, we'll throw the batteries in this, and we will get a plug out so that we can hear the other ones. So stay tuned. Does it play any other song? I know there was a couple that we looked at that played multiple songs. Okay, same song.
And it turns it off.
Yep.
But I'm thankful that they came up with the idea of having it all colorful. Now, for the main show. We really don't need him on the back. Kermit's debut.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide.
Yeah, I like that his mouth moves.
So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know their own way and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers,
And me. I think that's the only song he plays too.
Yeah. But I like that his mouth moves.
Yeah.
That adds some
That's character.
Adds character and an animatronic
Yes.
too. So bravo.
Yep. So there. Now you've seen what we currently have for this year. We have 3 new, and then we bought 3 sale ones from last year. And as I said, we have more coming in October, so stay tuned. And
Some of them are a little spooky.
Keep an eye out then. So thanks for watching, and as always, welcome home.